Whether you are applying for a mortgage, car, or personal loan, your lender will want to know one number, your 3-digit credit score. Your 3-digit credit score tells lenders exactly what kind of borrower you've been and how likely you are to repay a loan. Before applying for any loan, it's important to understand the basics of your credit score and what it means. FICO credit scores generally range from a low of 300 to a high of 850. Many factors influence your score, with the two most important being payment history and how much debt you owe. The first factor on our pie chart is payment history, or how you pay your debts, which accounts for 35% of your credit score. The things that credit bureaus look at when calculating this portion is the amount past due, the length of time past due, meaning 30, 60, or 90 days, and the number of past due items that you have. The next factor, which is 30% of your credit score, is how much you owe, meaning do you have a lot of loans that you owe a lot of money on, or just a few outstanding balances with a small amount due. Accounting for 15% of your credit score is your length of credit history, which looks at the length of time accounts have been opened. The longer you've been a borrower, the better. The next section is credit mix, which accounts for 10% of your credit score. Credit mix looks at your overall mix of credit cards, mortgages, and fixed loans. Ideally, you would like to have a good mix of both installment loans, things like car loans or mortgages, and revolving credit, meaning credit cards. The last section of our pie chart is new credit, which also accounts for 10% of your credit score. New credit looks at the number of accounts you have and the number of recent credit inquiries, meaning how often are you applying for new credit. Remember, it's important to use credit responsibly. Having a good credit history and credit score can be the difference between being able to purchase a home, buy a car, or pay for college. Managing your credit report is a great way to stay in control of your finances and help you achieve your goals. You can always find more information at crossplainsbank.com.